Today we are going to study a plant named as Hydrilla, its external features. So our requirement is a specimen of Hydrilla. It is a species of verticillata. Its full name is Hydrilla verticillata. Genus is Hydrilla and the name of species is verticillata. The specimen is made up of a thin stem with a number of leaves which are arranged at the nodal area in the form of whorls, in the form of rings. Hydrilla verticillata is a common submerged hydrophyte. It's a hydrophyte. It lives in water, so it is a hydrophyte. Hydrophyte are the plants which live in water. Hydrilla is completely submerged in water. Completely submerged means it dipped completely inside the water, lives inside the water. So submerged hydrophyte, we can say it. Its roots are poorly developed adventitious fibrous roots, and later these roots get detached and it become suspended and freely float inside the water. It is found in shallow fresh water of ponds, lakes and tanks. Here are different nodes are present at different areas. On all the nodal area, rings or whorls of leaves are present. Stem is pale green in color, cylindrical shaped, weak and soft. Branches are present. It is spongy and flexible. The leaves are thin, small, linear. Leaves arise in whorls from each node. Plant parts covered with mucilage. And the method of reproduction is vegetative as well as by seeds. You can observe from the specimen, leaves are present on the nodal area, present in the form of ring, in the form of whorl. If you will take a single ring from the nodal area, you will observe in the number of 4 to 5, leaves are arranged itself. The stem is thin, cylindrical in shape, soft. Almost all the parts of the body are covered with the mucilage. Floats freely in the pond or tank water. So this is all about the external features of Hydrilla, a hydrophyte.